Good morning, my people, and happy day to you. I am going to be working on this wood cradle board. It's an 18 by 18, and I'm going to do a whimsical kind of ocean theme using a lot of the papers that I made with watercolor. Some of these are just beautiful. I love them. And when you get started with your jelly plate printing and you have an idea in mind, it helps you to create certain papers that you'd want to use. This would be beautiful for the beach section. It would also be beautiful for the sky. I also have a lot of papers that I made on the exam paper, with the exam paper, and these are all three of the same prints done with golden open acrylics. This was the first one, and what this was made with is this cool little wood, it's a clay tool that I have that I just rolled across the jelly plate. This was the first print that was pulled, which is the darker hue. Can you see that beautiful design in there? This was the second pull, which is more muted and brought out more of the green. I love those golden open acrylics, guys. You can get a lot out of it. And this was the final pull, which is, extremely muted and absolutely lovely. Once again, these were all done on the exam paper, which is so easy to use. I also have some text here that I'll be using, some cardboard, and what I do is I just tear the lid off of a box and then I moisten it with my mister. It makes it a lot easier to pull the cover piece of cardboard up to get down to the corrugated part. And then I also have a few of our Thomasina papers, which are absolutely lovely and kind of sandy looking, which I thought would be really nice. And this is just beautiful. It's actually got two sides to it, which is lovely. Thank you, Thomasina. A new tool I got, which is very helpful when you're doing collage. Most of the time I like a very organic edge on my paper, and this is called a water brush. You just take the lid off, fill it with water, nice little brush in, and then you just draw out on your paper. Well, let me show you. We'll do it right here. Let me get this rolling. You can also just use a paintbrush that you have dipped in water. You just kind of give it a squeeze and then just kind of go like this. There we go. And it just makes it extremely easy to get a really nice organic tear on it. See that? Funsy. You can get these at any art supply store. I believe I got mine on Amazon. Let me see. Here's actually a set of 3 of them by Pentel, Pentel. Wet brush. Is that what they call it? Yeah. Water brush. A water brush. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of get rocking and rolling with some text and some texture, and then I'll probably let that dry and come back and start incorporating some of my papers for 2 reasons. I have a dentist appointment in about an hour, so I can only get so much done, and then I'll stop, leave, let it dry, and then come back for more. So let's get busy.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand. Yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back.
Hello, my people. How are you? I'm doing a quick little ditty for you because I think this is really cool. Excuse my voice. This collage is on a wood cradle board. It is finished. It has a coat of satin varnish on it, and then I finished it with Liquitex matte varnish, which I brush on. I do sections at a time, and it's got a beautiful, beautiful finish. But I thought, you know what? Let's kick it up a notch. I really love encaustics. I love what Nikki Renee is doing with encaustics, and I eventually will dive in, but my head is very busy with other things right now. But I got some beeswax, natural beeswax, in these little pellets, and I'm going to put some beeswax in some of these areas. Some I will melt down a lot to give a wax finish to it, and then I'll probably have to maybe varnish it again. I don't know. I'm experimenting on playing. But a lot of it I'm going to leave raised up, and I hope you'll be able to see it. Now, I'm going to talk you through it before I get started, because when I turn my heat gun on, you will not be able to hear me. I'll pick some areas where I'll put some wax, and this is very lightweight, so it blows around very easily. So what I have to do is I put my heat gun, let me get a little skewer as well, or my little tweezer things. But what I have to do is I put my heat gun on low, and I start very high so that it doesn't blow around. And as it starts to melt and secures itself to my substrate, I can move in a little bit more, melt some areas down more than others. So I'm just fiddling, I'm playing. It's a great way to add texture. I put it on another canvas to test run. Let me get that for you. Now, this whole piece was waxed. What I did was I was experimenting. I believe I did a video for you. I laid little bits of wax all over it, had my iron on a very high setting, put a piece of parchment paper on top of it, and then ironed the wax out. And you can see it move across the canvas. And then the other day, I just added some little tiny droplets of wax. You can see here, little pellets. And I came in very high with the heat gun, moved in a little closer as it started to settle and not blow around anymore. And then you can add more heat to melt it down as you like, but it adds some really nice texture to your canvas. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm just going to kick this up a notch. Hopefully it'll work, because I really like this collage, and let's get busy.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my